In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a code in Xero. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can confidently perform this task in just a few minutes. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Xero accounting software. Head over to the Xero login page and click on Log In. This may seem quite straightforward, but it's always a good idea to double check that you're on the correct and official Xero site to ensure the security of your login information. Next, go ahead and enter your email and password. Remember to use a strong password to protect your account. If you've saved your password in a manager, this process will be even quicker. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button to access your Xero dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, which serves as the home base for navigating Xero. From here, locate and click on the Accounting tab. This will direct you to the various financial elements you can manage within Xero. In this section, find Chart of Accounts and click on it. The chart of accounts is your bookkeeping roadmap outlining all the financial transactions you can make. Once you are in the chart of accounts section, you'll see a variety of account related options. Here we're going to add a new account to suit your specific needs. So click on the add account button. Doing this provides you with a blank slate to tailor an account according to your business requirements. In the new window that appears, you'll need to select an account type. This categorizes the account you're adding, whether it's an income, asset, expense, or any other type relevant to your business operations. Be sure to choose the correct category, as this affects how your financial data is reported and analyzed. After selecting the account type, it's time to add a code. This unique identifier helps to reference your new account easily. Coming up with a logically sequenced number is advisable, one that doesn't clash with existing codes. Following this, you'll need to add a name for your new account. This could be as descriptive as you like, providing clarity on what this account represents. Once you've entered all necessary details and double checked everything for accuracy, proceed to click on Save. This action commits your new account into the Xero system, making it ready for financial transactions. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new code to your Xero chart of accounts. Feel free to explore additional features within Xero to maximize the efficiency of your accounting task. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for helpful tips